everyone, today I will show you how to use air fryer to do the french fries. It's a very easy recipe. You only need potatoes and regular oil. First, you have to peel the potatoes like this. And you can use this part, this part. Cut it out. Okay, perfect. And then I will show you how to cut it. First, cut this part. Put the potatoes into the water for 20 minutes. If you don't have time, you don't need to do this. Now take the potatoes out of the water. Dry the potatoes with the kitchen towel. I'll have some cooking oil on it. Now put the potatoes into the air fryer. (400°), 10 minutes. Wow, see the color. It's beautiful.
Now it's ready to eat.
Okay. This is our favorite part. Really crispy.
Delicious.
So good.
Yum.
No.
Very delicious those days. We have some sauce.
Oh yeah, we put some sauce on it and the ketchup. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
See you next time. Bye.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.